Hello and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 4th of July with me, Rich Poe, market analyst at Antic Markets. So moving on to Eurodollar now, and we've got a fairly sort of cautious day, haven't we, at the moment. It's Independence Day in the States, so nothing too significant in terms of guidance there. But just looking at this rally in the euro, I'm not entirely sort of convinced by it. Really, it's fairly sort of mild. It's fairly sort of weak on the momentum indicators. The RSI just sort of creeping higher, not even up at 50 yet. MACD line still sort of falling. Stochastics not really showing too much in terms of rebound either. So it's fairly sort of much as though that I think it's rallying back towards the underside of this uptrend channel. Sorry, I've just done that wrong. Uptrend channel, which the old uptrend channel between sort of November and May, June, broken down. So the underside of that uptrend channel now becomes a base of resistance. That uptrend channel sort of comes in around about 12.15. Interestingly, around about that pivot line now from April, May, June area. So I think that is sort of where we're going to see the next selling taking place, between sort of 111 and 112 area. I think that would be your ideal selling opportunity. But just looking at these momentum indicators, I don't really see this rally as being all that impressive. It's sort of more into a range phase really, as you can see on the hourly chart, just a creeping higher on the hourly, but nothing too significant in terms of improvement. You've got the momentum indicators, which are on the hourly again very uninspiring really, and it's basically just flattening off with this consolidation that we're seeing today. And I think that ultimately it's going to be another selling opportunity. You've got this between 6.8. You've got this reaction high that we saw on Friday at 11.68, and that came underneath the 11.88 reaction high that we saw post-Brexit. So that sort of gives you the basis of resistance around that sort of level. I've still got 12.15 on this chart as well from the old pivot band from May, June. I still think that these levels are still relevant, and I think that ultimately it will be sold into this Eurodollar chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.